Hey y'all, I just wanted to do a quick short little video and excuse the echoing in the room. I guess I need to fill it up with some more stuff in here in my office because it seems to still echo, the sound echoes. I just wanted to show you, I'm starting a sticker board. I finally have something up to put my stickers on that I have so far. And another reason I was doing this video is if anyone would like to trade stickers with me, that'd be great. I'll send you one of mine, you send me one of yours. And also, I just wanted to say, one of my stickers that I have is from Clayton County History Hound. It's literally on my Gold Monster 1000. So if you want to send me another one, Sean, I'd be glad to put it on my sticker board. But these are all the stickers I have so far. I'll just give you everybody a little shout out. Chuck Gentless, if I'm pronouncing that right, I hope. His sticker is Arizona Prospectors. And then, of course, Floyd Detectorist and American Gold Prospectors and Dragonfly Diggs and Krusty Clad and, of course, Nugget Shooterette and Nugget Shooter. But this is my start of my sticker collection. I'm sure it will fill up. So again, if y'all like to trade stickers, send me a sticker and I'll send you one. So that's about it. And I've been putting up some decorations in my office today. I'm not going to show you yet till it gets probably more done, like complete. I'll just show you again when it's more complete. But I have got some things up and it's coming along. I'm really excited about it. And just thank you all for being with me on this journey. So, like, subscribe, ring the notification bell if you enjoy my videos, and have a great evening, y'all.